So I found Shy, she's outside eating grass. No meaters though. She's just gone under the car, so she might have them under one of the cars, like I said. That's Shy. I don't know if you can see her, but she is there. She's moving. But I'm going to get soaked, aren't I, if I kneel down. I don't know if, see what I mean? She could have the meaters under hair. There's so many places they could be that are warm and dry. Socks is eating grass as well. What's the grass eating right now? Oh my god, there's just too many places for a group of tiny kittens to be, isn't there? That's safe and warm and whatever. And I am never going to find them. I'm never going to find them. Because Shy's going to run off with them. Like I said, there's a lot of places they could be. Oh my god. Well, I'm not looking for hours. I know she'll have them somewhere safe. And now I know that Shy's under that car. I feel a bit better about it. Socks, however, is still sitting in the rain, eating the grass. Do you think it's just because we're getting the water? We've given water. It's still going to bug me. Still going to worry me. Where are the little kittens, hey? Maybe the kitten sucks. So I'll just go back in and check in a little while. See, like those little places, like I said, we have lots of places. We've got a tree house up there and fucking thing. Got a tree house up there. Look. So it could even be in our tree house up there. There's socks. Oh, I don't know, we'll walk up in the tree right now, but I will do is a look. Again. It doesn't look like she's bought them in the tree house, which is more of a storage unit right this second, as you can see. But they're not in here. Shit. No. There you go, socks. Go on then. Go on then. What are you doing? You idiot. Socks are stupid. Yes, there's loads of places it could be. Like I said, Mike built the tree house. They could be anywhere. They could be anywhere. We have a giant guy. There's Shy. That was Shy running across the garden. I'm not going to give up, am I, is the thing. I'm like full on a mission now to find the babies. I'm hoping I've put food, etc. down. But look, they could literally be anywhere. The last kittens were born down there in a fallen tree root. They could be anywhere. She ran under this car twice, so I can't see. Oh, it's just so many places there could be. Too many places for me to search. Like seriously, too many. It could be anywhere under there in the dry. They could be anywhere, full stop. Nightmare. But the rain is slowing down. Which one's that? There's another cat just popped out from somewhere. Is it Socks? Hey, Socks. Socks. Socksies. What you doing? What you doing, boy? What you been outside for? Hey? Wet me up. Don't go wet me up, boy. Right, I'm going. Wish me luck. I'll record again later and see if I find the meters. Bye. I've come back into the house too. Echo in VR. Echo in VR.
Can I please play a different one?
Back in the office. And I'm going to
what about going under the sea or something?
Twisted Metal again.
Being under the sea with sharks and things?
No.
Yeah.
You could do that.
Where?
There's a whole David Attenborough thing.
I'm in.
Hey G. Hey G Dog. Hey G Dog. Where's Gia? Where's Gia? Where's Gia with her waggy tail? Where's my puppy? Where is she? Where's my Scruffles? Hi, where's my Scruffles? Dishes. Hey, Paws. Where's my Paws, hey? Where's Paws? Where's my puppy? Where's my puppy? Oh, hacky tail. Hi, beautiful. Where's my puppy dog? Hi. Oh, you're so beautiful. Hey, you're so beautiful. Hey, beautiful. Are you going to do all paws? Ah, go all shy. Go shy. Go shy, Paws. You're just a good girl. Where's my puppy? Where's Gia? Where's G-Bomb? Taking up a whole seat, as you can see. Hey, Scruffs. I love you, G.
Online friend.
Love you, G. Yeah. Are you a good girl? Are you my good puppy?
Neo!
Are you my good puppy? Yes, you are. That's the second one in a row. What the fuck? Two in a row. I didn't manage to get out quick enough to film the first one, but two. What the fuck? I'm just gonna sit down and watch Twisted Metal now. And not get bombed. Fuck you know.